I knew that I wanted to learn more about the fashion industry, and because I am majoring in business, I wanted to find a way to kind of intermingle those.
So I played field hockey for 3 years at Ohio Wesleyan, and then I took my last year off so that I can actually do this research project with them. So I was basically looking at changes in performance from before and after season.
For this, I was studying live-bearing fish. My job was to take these histology slides and then put them on a microscope and then create panoramic images.
Our professor, Dr. Hemmel, has isolated a couple different worms from both Florida and Ohio. So we started with genetic sequencing of the 18S ribosomal DNA to see how similar they were.
I became really fascinated with the border, and I wrote a small grant to go back to the border and volunteer with an organization there.
The fact, for instance, that she was able to interview with officers of the U.S. Border Patrol, that's something that rarely happens.
As part of the OWU Connections, Kira was able to secure some OWU funding to travel to Seattle and did interviews with Nordstrom's and a couple other groups.
After going to Seattle and also just online research, I would sit and talk to him about what I learned.
So basically what I wanted to look at was how well post-operative rehabilitation program is for athletes with anterior cruciate ligament ACL reconstruction.
Our biggest findings were that balance really worsened over time. There was also a difference in thoracic spine rotation.
One of them was identical to one that's been classified before. The other one has never been classified and published before, so we're calling that a new species of the rhabdited species.
Technology can never do the same storytelling that a human can.
I took figure drawing, which taking that at the same time as my anatomy class actually was really helpful in learning to draw things to understand them.
One of the things that I really love about the curriculum here, about all of the professors that I've worked with, that they're very willing to kind of encourage that, making those connections across different disciplines.